In order to manage your documents on ExperienceBU, you'll want to click the three lines to get to your organization tools and select documents. So we can see that this organization has some documents uploaded to it. We can see the date and time that these different documents were uploaded, which is nice. The blue arrow icon allows us to download the document. And the three dots allow us to manage the document. So we can share the document, move it, rename it, give it a type, change permissions of who can view it, or delete it. We can also add a folder on the top right if we'd like to organize our documents into folders. You can add a title and change your levels of permissions there of who can see your documents. And you can also add a file by clicking Add File. You can drag and drop the file. There are many different accepted file types. And you can then give it a title, give it a type if you'd like, and again determine the level of permissions of who can see the document that you have added to your organization. And then you want to hit Add at the bottom to ensure that that change takes effect. It is important to label your documents with the proper type so it is easy for a user to find. Default will always be the type for a document not prescribed a specific type. The Constitution bylaws type should only be used to upload your club's actual constitution and bylaws, and you must be sure you have had the documents approved by BUSU prior to uploading, as you are not able to edit or remove those types of documents from your page once they've been uploaded. Another aspect of documents that is important to keep in mind is the permission of your files and folders. If you make a public folder that has documents that are restricted to your roster, specific organization positions, or anyone on campus, the public would be able to see the folder, but not the documents within the folder. Similarly, if you create a folder with permissions restricted to your roster, specific organization positions, or anyone on campus, a member of the public would not be able to access that folder. If we select Share next to a document, a unique link appears that can be distributed to anyone you would like to be able to see the document. Keep in mind that if the document is restricted to a certain audience on your ExperienceBU page and you send this link to a user who doesn't have permission to view the document on ExperienceBU, they won't be able to see it through this link. The best way then to share this document with someone who doesn't have permission is to download it and email it directly to the individual. If you have any questions about this tutorial, email us at experiencebu@brocu.ca.